gonna set the morph that was created automatically, and okay, that does not look that hard. That's easy to fix. So I'm going to copy the name, and then I'm going to export it as a morph. And now I'm going to import it into Modo, but with a difference. I'm going to import the expand morph because it's got the Genesis figure in as well, and makes it easier as a placeholder. But then I'm also going to import the original shoe. Okay. Alright, now I've got something without all the mesh distortions. Turn on symmetry, hide the other shoe, and I'm turning on, I'm setting a morph map, but you don't really need it for this one. Alright, now that that's done, you can use your scale tool to scale the selected shoe, and it'll match it to the other side. There you go, I think that's enough for expansion. Export it to the placeholder file. Now you bring it in with Morph Threader Pro and reverse deformation again. And there you go. A nice expanded morph. So I usually try and make that a green morph to show that it's an expansion morph, to make things fit. And also just change the label to be a bit more friendly. There you go. Save the shoe as a support asset. Gonna be thread sandals, and it's gonna ask, it's gonna have a, there, it's gonna ask me the product name. So this is going to create the folder directory. And then you can set it to wardrobe and shoes. Right, saved. Delete the shoe and reload it again now that it's been saved, so that you have a fresh copy to work on. Right, now to start doing all the body morphs. Always use the body morph dial and not the full character morph, since it often has scale built in. Again, change it to base resolution, and this is the ED morph, which is quite extreme. And then I like to turn collision off from against Genesis, so that I have a smooth mesh without getting pushed out by the underneath figure. Alright, so it's ED body, copy and control copy again, so you can get the exact morph name. Export the OBJ, import it into Modo. Alright, now I can see where there's poke through, and with symmetry turned on, I can just move it out slightly. Now the reason I turned off Genesis as the collision is also, if you have something like this, it's going to push the sole out from where the foot touches. It's just, it gives better results if you don't collide it against anything. You just want the smoothing, you don't want the colliding against the figure for this stage. I'm going to turn smoothing back to 2 default, import the ED morph, and there you go, all fixed. Now you're going to do the same with all other morphs that needs to be fixed. Usually EDA is one of the more extreme ones.